Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Begin by preparing the vehicle. Sit in the driver's seat and turn the ignition to ACC or on so the memory system is powered. Adjust the seat foam, fore-aft, seat back angle, lumbar support, outside mirrors, and steering column until you are comfortable. The Forester supports 2 memory positions, numbered 1 and 2, so decide which position will be saved now and which will be saved later. Keep doors closed and avoid jarring the settings while you program to ensure accurate reach. To save a position, press and hold the SET button on the driver door panel, and while holding it, press the desired memory number, 1 or 2. Keep both buttons held for about 3 seconds until you hear a confirmation beep or see a dashboard indicator flash. That confirms the system stored the current seat, mirror, and steering settings. If you want to save the second driver, repeat the exact same sequence with the other number. If programming fails, cycle ignition off and on and try again. To recall a saved position, press the memory button 1 or 2 briefly while the vehicle is in park. The seat, mirrors, and steering will move to the stored settings. To overwrite a stored position, simply repeat the SET plus memory number sequence and hold for about 3 seconds to replace the old profile. If you need to clear a memory or stop automatic recall, press and hold the memory button longer or consult the owner manual for model-specific options. Always confirm adjustments are safe before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.